Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience and get your dream job. In this video, I'm going to talk about another recruitment by EdCIL, which is the recruitment for teacher education legal. नाम भी नया है, recruitment भी नई है. So let's see what are the requirements of this exam. What is actually the job profile of teacher education in the legal. This is the advertisement. You can find this in the description below. This recruitment is announced by Ministry of Education, EdCIL, from eligible candidates for principal chief consultant, senior consultant, and on contractual basis for TSG SS project. The complete details are available on this website. You can check them out. Online application has started from 8th of November. अभी भी time है, एक week है. 28th November is the last date of receipt of online application form. Samagra Shiksha is an integrated centrally sponsored scheme for school education launched in 2018-19. Scheme has been completely aligned with the recommendations of National Education Policy 2020, and many transformative recommendations of National Education Policy 2020 have been made part of Samagra Shiksha. It is among the largest national level social scheme aimed at quality education. Online applications are invited for all these posts. We will talk about the ones which are available for the law student. So here you can see law vacancies are present in the teacher education, and there are 2 vacancies for teacher education legal post. Requirement is LLB with at least 60% from a recognized university, and essential is 3 years post-qualification experience in the civil matters, especially in education and administration. Especially means preferable है, but 3 years का qualification experience civil matters में होना चाहिए. Only online applications are accepted. Candidates applying for more than one post should submit separate applications for each post. Prescribed qualification and experience should be acquired on or before 30th of September 2023. Selection process will be based on academic professional qualification, experience, and may also include test of writing skills or interview. बाकी सभी details आपको इस website पे मिल जाएंगी. I will also try to look for more details and let you know the exam pattern, the syllabus, what to prepare, what is the job profile. I'll look for them and let you know. Meanwhile, you can visit the website. At the same time, I also want to tell you about our Mega B legal course. We are conducting a free workshop where I'm going to guide you how you can prepare for multiple exams using a single course. This workshop is scheduled for tomorrow, 21st of November. You can register for this workshop. The link to register for this workshop is present in the description below. Be there. We will have a discussion on how you can best use your time in order to prepare for multiple exams and increase your chances of getting a government job. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.